In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SEO wizard in GoDaddy Builder. If you want to improve how your website appears in search results, GoDaddy Builder includes a simple SEO wizard that helps guide you through the process. The good news is that this setup is very beginner friendly and you can complete it in just a few moments. To get started, log into your GoDaddy Builder dashboard and open the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, look for the settings area. This is where many of your site-wide controls live, including the tools related to search engine optimization. After you open settings, find and select SEO. Inside the SEO section, click Start Wizard. This launches the guided setup that helps GoDaddy understand your business and who you want to reach. As the wizard begins, you'll be asked a series of prompt questions. Take your time here and answer them carefully. Typically, these questions focus on your business type and your audience location. In other words, you'll be telling the system what kind of business or service your website represents and where your ideal visitors or customers are located. This part matters because the more accurately you answer, the better the tool can suggest SEO settings that match your website's goals. If your business serves a specific city, region, or country, make sure that location is reflected correctly. If your audience is broader, answer in a way that best matches the area you want to target. After you complete the questions, the tool will generate target keyword suggestions for you. These keywords are designed to align with your business category and location, helping your site become more relevant in search results. Review the keywords provided by the tool, and once you're ready, select them and click Apply. This tells GoDaddy Builder to use those keyword recommendations in your SEO setup. When everything looks good, the final step is to click Publish. Publishing pushes your changes live, so the updated SEO settings are attached to your website. Keep in mind that SEO changes don't usually produce instant results. Search engines may take some time to notice and process the updates, so patience is important. And that's it. By going to Settings, opening SEO, starting the wizard, answering the business and location prompts, applying the suggested target keywords, and publishing your site, you've completed the basic SEO setup in GoDaddy Builder. This is a quick and practical way to give your website a stronger foundation for search visibility.